1500.
Okay, I'm filming. 1500?
Yep.
Okay, crank that mother up. I don't know what the max is. Probably 8. Probably 8 or 10.
You guys go 8,000?
Sure.
Alright.
Did it take it? Yes, it did.
Yeah, it did.
Okay, try to go 10 and see if it takes that.
I don't think it's used to that.
We'll know if it takes it or not. It did. Wow, it did. See if it'll take 12. I don't think it will, but it might.
Okay.
Yeah, it maxed out at 10, didn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it did. Let me hold on a second.
It could be. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, right there.
Any faster than the other one.
No, it maxed out at 10 right there.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, now can we move it in X, Y, and Z?
Yep.
Okay, can we do a tool change?
I over-traveled.
What?
I over-traveled.
Okay, well that's not healthy. Tool change coming up.
Hold on a second.
Okay. I'm taking some footage of the outside of the machine. Let me know when you're ready. What?
I will let you know when I'm ready.
Okay.